Hey everyone. So this is another continuation of the videos which we are doing in English for Power of Words. And today it is about angel numbers. So angel numbers are the numbers which are meant to be given by divine or spirit guides or the angels around us. And it's also said that, wherever we are surrounded by our guardian angels, and they're nothing but our own gods. Okay, or it can be like positive souls like our ancestors who are trying to help us from the spiritual realm. So this angel number term was coined by Doreen Virtue. So Doreen Virtue found that when someone notices recurrence of similar numbers, okay, and especially again and again or even prominently, and it can make them think, okay. So whenever someone notices these numbers, and when they have a particular thought in mind, what she means is that these are sent by the angels and they want you to notice, and this is the only means of communication from those angels to you, because they are in a different realm. And not all of us are psychic mediums to communicate with the angels or gods, right? We cannot do that. But if you want to communicate something to, you consider you being an angel, and if you want to communicate something where you have no means of communication channel, then this means of making you notice, so making someone notice, consider your close one, notice numbers and making them, conveying them whatever you want to tell about the future, about telling them like whatever you're thinking is a good thing, proceed with that. So these kind of thing is what being done by our angels. So to tell more, if you see, most of us would have seen 1111, like 1111 often. And if you see, whenever you see that number, so you should not keep that number and see it. No, that's not the way how angel number works. But when you randomly see it in your mobile time, or and maybe in a vehicle number or door number. So when you randomly see this number, and at that point of time, if you can recollect what thought you're thinking, then that number conveys something to you. Okay. So 1111 number is the manifestation number telling you that whatever you're thinking is going to happen and you're in the right path. And that is destiny. It's destined to happen. So this, I have seen so many years that it works so well. Whenever I see 1111, I understand that whatever I'm thinking in my mind right now is the right way of thinking, and it's going to proceed, and that's going to give a good result to me. That has worked out. You can try that as well. And to continue, let me tell you the other angel numbers which works. So for 2222, if you get the number 2222, that number is associated with partnership, love, harmony, balance, collaboration. So it also means that whatever you're thinking at that particular time, someone would be coming in support of you for that. Okay. So if you are thinking about your relationship, and if you see 2222, then you can understand that the relationship is going to proceed, and it's your destiny that it would proceed. And if you are thinking, if you are so confused about how you are going to do something all alone, and if you see 2222, then you can understand that that particular thing would be supported by someone else, and you need not do it all alone. Okay. And the next angel number 3333 is for creativity. So when you see 3333, it shows that you're going to do something creative there, something different, something you're going to start and do it. And that would involve your creative mind. And, you can also connect all the creative fields with that, right? You can also connect this YouTube videos. All these are creative fields, right? Even movies and artist, being an artist, drawing, all whatever creative things are. If you see that, and if you had something in mind, then it shows that you are going to get into the creative thing, or that is somewhat linked to creativity. Okay, or you have to use your creative mind for that. So that would be the reason for 3333. Okay. The next angel number 4444 is for new opportunity, protection, stability, hard work, perseverance, and being consistent. So whenever you see 4444, then you have to understand you have to work hard, That's an opportunity for you. You have to show some stability towards it, that you have to do it. You should not leave it and go. You have to show some stability towards it, and also give your perseverance and be consistent about it. So that's what 4444 means. Okay. And for this video, we are going to see the other one, which is 5555. So 5555 is for big transformations in life. For example, I saw 5555 when I was in the US, and when I was in a confused state whether I should continue in the US or move to Canada. And I was repeatedly seeing 5555. I saw that in the, in a apartment number randomly. I've never noticed that apartment number before, but I saw that in the apartment number. Though I used the lift next to it, I never noticed it. Saw that in the apartment number, and then randomly in the road, I've seen it multiple times. And whenever I see that number, the one what thought was running in my mind is about whether I have to move country or not. That was the single thought. And I should tell you, after seeing that number, I believed that it is asking me to take the transformation and move ahead. When I did that, that was the best decision of my life, that I embraced the transformation. Because I could see I was able to get several opportunities preceding that. I was able to even do whatever I wanted to do. So it was a rewarding opportunity for me since I took the transformation. So whenever you see 5555, understand that big changes are coming, and it's time to brace and lean in. So you should embrace that change, and you should proceed with that change, is what 5555 means. Okay. And let's continue the remaining angel numbers in the subsequent videos. See, I don't want to, make separate videos for these angel numbers or for every angel number, because the only thing for me is that it should reach you and it should help you. Number of YouTube videos doesn't matter to me when it can help you in a greater way if that's in a single video. And I don't want this video to be entirely boring. That's why I'm at least splitting the video. Okay. So stay tuned for the subsequent angel number videos. Thank you so much.